Welcome back, my dear student. So now that we know what an MVC framework is, right? Let's go ahead and start using it right away. So to start using it, of course, we're gonna go to their website. So I'm gonna go on in my best friend right here. I don't have to actually go to my best friend right now, which is Google. I'm just gonna go to CodeIgniter.com and I'm just gonna download it from here. And I'm using version 3.0.1, but that's okay. If you're using a version later than this, that's fine. All right, I'm gonna give you all these files, so if you want to actually do the course exactly as I'm doing it without any hiccups, download the same version that I have. And on this lecture I will include this file so you can download the same version that I'm using. That way we can be on the same path. All right, so I'm gonna download this, go to your exercise files and make sure that you have the CodeIgniter 3.0 with me. All right, and again, it doesn't matter what version you have, we're gonna discuss the same core functions and functionalities that you will have in the future. This is a future-proof course and I will update it as I can. All right, I'm gonna be updating this course all the time. So go to your htdocs, which will be your XAMPP installation or WAMP installation, whatever local server development you have. Go there, create a folder. I'm gonna call this folder CI, which stands for CodeIgniter, of course. And I'm gonna drop in this CodeIgniter zip file that I just downloaded from CodeIgniter.com. I'm gonna unzip it right there, and I'm gonna grab all the contents from it, and I'm gonna put it in the root of the CI folder right here. All right, and then I'm gonna delete the zip file, and I'm gonna delete that empty folder. Let me just make sure that I have all the files in there. That's okay. I have some hidden files that are showing. I usually do that with all my computers. What I do is I go on Google when I forget how to do it. Of course, I already know how to do it. I go on Google and type in, show hidden files for, let's say, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or whatever. And I will turn on those features so I can see my hidden files and I can see my hidden extensions from my files. All right, so that's a good thing to do. So I'm going to delete this empty folder. I'm going to have CI and all the contents of that zip folder right here inside the CI folder. All right, now I can go to localhost, and on that folder you can see that we have installed CodeIgniter. All right, so the page you're looking at is being generated dynamically by CodeIgniter. Isn't that great? All right, so we have successfully installed CodeIgniter. That's all it takes. All right, so I'm gonna make this lecture short, but on the next lecture we're gonna actually get into the code and find out exactly how models, view, and controllers actually work, and all the setup that we need for CodeIgniter. We're gonna be doing that in the next upcoming lectures. Take care, and I'll see you then.